We're on a run looking for lube. Mom! Do we have any lube? I swear we had some. I seen it in here before.
Yeah, I thought we had some of that WD-40. Maybe check in the garage. I don't see it up here. Yeah, check in the garage or the shed.
No. Yes, leave me alone. Where is the lube? Where do I have to look? Elmer's glue? I don't know where to look.
Let me in here.
Where is the lube?
Do you see anything over there? Oh, here's some WD-40. It's a little one.
I found the lube.
Hopefully there's stuff in there. When you get a chance,
Now back outside. I don't know. I got lube. WD-40. The lube.
This is embarrassing.
Now get down on your back and put the lube on.
Yeah. Put it on me.
I want to watch it slip through the hole.
I bet you do. Oh, Jesus.
I can't see.
Let me get on the other side.
There is the hole.
And there, I'm about to see the dick. I mean, the object is...
This shouldn't be this complicated.
Yeah, it should, because a bigger item going in the swamp.
What do you have to spray with that?
Juice it up.
Are you spraying it?
Yeah.
Is that really lube?
Yeah.
Will it make it slide through?
It should.
You have to lube the hole and the thing.
I did lube the hole. You want to lube it for me?
No, shut up. Is it pushing? Is it pushing in? Did you lube the inside of the hole?
Yeah.
Did you lube the little pokey McPokerson?
That's a big one. That is a little pokey.
Is it pushing in? Push harder!
It was halfway in, so...
Lube it more! The hole is too small.
I'm gonna freaking spread that hole out.
Push it in! Ew, it's all over your hand. Gross. Oh, it's in. Wow, that's cool.
Is it in all the way?
Nope. Keep pushing.
I got rust on my eye.
Oh, no. Don't tell me that. Are you okay?
Yeah, is it in there all the way?
Nope. Keep pushing. It's almost in. Push harder. Don't poke your fucking finger. Oh my god, you got it in. Wow.
Oh, shoot.
That was incredible.
Oh my god.
That was incredible.
Oh my god.
How do you know how to do that? Wow.
Let's just say, never mind.
Are you sure it's in all the way?
Oh, yeah. Yuck, I'm so dirty right now.
Are you sure? Yuck. Yuck. No, I'm not talking about your hands. Are you sure that's in all the way?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That won't fall off?
Nope.
How do you know?
Because I know.
Dude, you're a pro. You're the best. This is the best. The best ever. Got it through the hole. I'm cold. Hurry.
Man, I hope I never...
You're making my pink pants dirty.
I hope I never
Poor pink pants.
I hope I never run in that situation in life.
What? Oh my god, it's raining. Hurry!
Okay, there's the hole.
Do you have to put the screw up and through it to put it down, or down through it to put it up?
I'm gonna do it just the way it was.
Okay, good. What happened to your finger?
Which one?
I don't care. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Faster. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. Oh, yeah. You're awesome. How do I know if it's perfect?
I guess if you get wrecked.
No. That's bad. Wow, you should be a mechanic. Not.
Common sense. The things, I'm like Courage the Cowardly Dog. The things I do for love. God damn it, I hate this thing. I need to get a real wrench. A manly wrench.
Are you screwing it?
Screwing you? What?
Shawn, you're on camera. I should fuck you up now.
Just don't show that to anybody.
I'm putting it on YouTube.
No!
For more videos, check out K&K at youtube.com.
I'm tying it. I'm going as tight as I can go, so once this baby's on, you can run over a bear. It ain't coming off.
Wow, you're awesome.
Yep. Won't.
How much do you want for this?
Free of charge, man.
For screwing my exhaust.
Free of charge, ma'am. Anytime. Anytime you need something lubed up.
Please shut up. Get out of here now.
Nope.
Are you done? My hands are
You
cold.
can go inside, you know. You didn't have to come out here and record me.
Well, I'm keeping my rust as a souvenir.
You're a pack rat. Hear that, everybody? Kayla Hunt is a pack rat.
That's not my name.
I mean...
Quiet.
Jennifer. What?
Jennifer?
Jennifer.
Who the fuck's Jennifer, dog?
Maybe I need to use my right hand.
Yeah, I'm done. Goodbye. I'm leaving you out here to suffer. I'm taking my cereal bowl with me.
Am I even gonna get a kiss?
I hope my ass isn't dirty. If it is, I'll be pissed. I'm taking this rust. Wow. I wonder how long this has been on there. It's fucking rusty. Fucking nasty as fuck. Looks like it's been on there as long as the car's been made. That shit's rusty. Bye.